In this demo, I'll show you how to run an MCP server in Kubernetes with ToolHive and HashiCorp Vault, securely injecting an API key with zero hassle. We'll set up seamless authentication to Vault, protect our access token, and run the GitHub MCP server using the ToolHive Kubernetes operator, all in just a few minutes. If you want to follow along, check out the full tutorial in the ToolHive documentation at docs.stacklock.com. Let's dive in. Here I have a Kubernetes cluster already running on my laptop using Kind, with Vault and the ToolHive operator already deployed using their Helm charts. If we look at the pods in the cluster, we can see the main Vault pod, the Vault Agent Injector, and the ToolHive Operator pods are all up and running. So the first step is to enable the Kubernetes auth method, so workloads can authenticate to Vault using Kubernetes service account tokens. Next, I'll set up a key value secrets engine to store my secrets for MCP workloads, create a Vault policy to permit read access to the specific secret I'll be creating, and a Vault role to map the Kubernetes service accounts in the ToolHive system namespace to the policy. The ToolHive operator creates a dedicated service account for each MCP workload, which is what we're matching here. Now that authentication and authorization are set up, it's time to create a token and use it. I'm using the GitHub MCP server today, so I need a personal access token. I've already prepared a manifest file for my MCP server resource. I'm going to use the official GitHub MCP server and run it in the ToolHive system namespace. And importantly for our Vault integration is these annotations that are added to the ToolHive deployment so that the Vault sidecar launches and injects the secret as an environment variable into the MCP server pod when it's created. When I create the MCP server resource, the ToolHive operator picks it up, and within a few seconds, it's up and running. Inside the ToolHive proxy pod, we can see the Vault agent sidecar alongside the ToolHive container. And here our GitHub MCP server has successfully started up. ToolHive creates a service for each MCP container. This one's running on port 9095, which I had specified in the manifest. Now, to let clients connect, this service needs to be exposed outside the cluster. I'm going to use a simple port forward, but you should use your favorite Kubernetes ingress controller to match your own infrastructure. And finally, we can add it to any MCP client like Claude Code and verify that it has connected. I'll go ahead and run Claude, and using its MCP command, see all the tools available from the GitHub MCP server, which is running in my Kubernetes cluster and getting its access token from Vault. So our MCP secrets are now safe with Vault, but this is just one of the many steps you should take to keep your MCP footprint more secure. To learn more, check out toolhive.dev or come talk to our team in Discord.